What's going on, y'all? So I haven't really decided what this channel's gonna be. So in the meantime, it's just gonna be where I post my unboxings of new computer parts and stuff because, well, all I do at the moment is work and record, and I can't record stuff that goes on at work, even though it's not really all that spectacular. Oh, I know what this is now. Yeah. I thought this was something else, but I forgot that I added these to this Amazon order. Bags on bags. A box and a bag with a bag of earrings inside of bags. Ordered myself some new earrings because I don't know, tired of the sets that I have and I wanted to change it up. Probably gonna be some more new ones coming in soon. Haven't ordered them, just stuff that I'm looking at. And time for the big box. Damn! I need to sharpen this knife. Alright. So, first off, we got a new monitor mount. Now I know this is a good monitor mount because it's the one that I used for my small backup monitor already. But in this box also includes why I needed the second monitor mount, which is this one right here. You're probably like, Dakota, why did you order such a small computer monitor? Because when I say small, I mean this thing is tiny. So really, all this thing is going to be used for is monitoring my temps. And yeah, I might put FPS on it. I haven't decided. Depends on like how big the display is of like my CPU and GPU temp, but those are my main focuses. So that way I have more room on my second monitor for chatting with you guys on streams, and not too stupid to open up this box. Oh, and yeah, that's really the only reason why I wanted that monitor. It was cheap, so I was like, yeah, I'll order it, this one. And then lastly, one that I am super excited for, and I hope all of you are also super excited for. We have this bad boy right here. We got a nice new microphone finally, guys. This is the Logitech Blue Yeti Nano. Now, it's not staying on this one because I don't want it on this one. Yep, that's why we got it. That piece right there should screw right into my boom mic, so that's why we got this. So, be on the lookout. Configuration of the webcam might be changing soon. Haven't decided that. Gonna have to look into that one. And the new mic will be here, and probably not in my face anymore, because tired of that. And this looks real nice. So keep an eye out for the new upgrades. I'll have to do some sort of video on these with them in my ears and how I like them, or yeah, keep an eye out on my TikTok for them to be in. Sounds like the dev's back though, so we gotta get back to gaming. Catch y'all in the next one. Peace.